Pagkatapos ng isang trade show or bazaar, ano nga ba ang dapat mong gawin sa mga business contacts o prospect clients na iyong nakalap? Here are some tips on what you need to do. Last up, what to do after the trade show. Pagkatapos ng trade show, dapat dumaan sa filtering process ang mga bagong contacts na nag-gather to determine kung sinong contacts ang unang tatawagan. Kinakailangan din na magkaroon ng immediate follow-up pagkatapos o a few days after the trade show.
Pinapasulat namin sila sa parang yung attendance, pinapaiwan namin sila ng contact number para kung wala man silang dalang pera ngayon, pero gusto nila yung produkto, at least sa after ng exhibit, kami naman yung ko-contact sa kanila at ipa-follow up namin yung produkto namin sa kanila. Siyempre, ganun yun. Hindi ka pwedeng tutulog-tulog. Dapat medyo agresibo ka.
Kung posible, maaari ka rin makapag-schedule ng meeting sa inyong mga bagong contacts.
Halimbawa, nang may nagka-interest, nakipag-meeting, naggusto niya mag-mass production, kinakausap namin ng maayos at sinasabi namin na ayaw namin ng overpricing.
Here's a quick assessment on your trade show experience. You can answer the following question. Did the trade show turn out as you expected? Did you attain your main purpose of joining the trade show? Did you gain sufficient number of contacts? Did you obtain orders for your products or services? Do you expect more orders from new contacts? If you answer all those questions with a yes, then it's a high five for you. Congratulations! Job well done!